What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Health and Beauty with Eve Marie. Today I am here to give you guys a review on a makeup that I just purchased not even a week ago. So I must say, definitely fast delivery. The name of the company is called IL MAKIAGE. I hope I'm saying that right because I hate saying people's names or product names wrong, but this is the box. I love the box. It came in a pretty decent packaging. Can you guys see that? IL MAKIAGE. Little information on the product, what it has to offer, 100% high maintenance. I know that's right. Holla back. Oh, that sounds real old, right? And this is the packaging. So pretty. Ooh, look how it blings. Bling, 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 bling. That's pretty. Okay. And, you know, it comes the little fluffies. So packaging is actually great. I love it. And so I wanted to come up here and do a quick review and get you guys' opinion because just to get a little bit more into the price of this, I actually paid $5 for shipping and it was on a trial period. So technically, if I don't like the product in 14 days, I can send it back. But I must add that they do hold $33 on your credit card or debit card for a short period of time, and then it falls off. So I guess maybe when you decide to keep it after 14 days, they'll go ahead and recharge your card again. So that's the one thing I wanted to mention. So I wanted to come up here and do a review on this product, and I wanted to get you guys' opinion. Because this one that I actually ordered is a concealer, and it is called Fuck 'em Flawless. Holla. Yes, Fuck 'em Flawless. Now, before I ordered the product, I went online and I did a quick survey. I mean, not a survey, a questionnaire, and it's basically trying to match you with your perfect color. So they ask you a few questions or whatever. So the number that they matched me with was a number 10, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. That's how it looks. Really smooth, goes on really smooth. But I don't know if that's my, okay. I don't know, I'm getting a little nervous. But it is concealer. This is not actual foundation. It's a concealer to brighten up dark spots. So we'll see how this is going to work. So we're going to put this here. And the first step that I like to do before, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do one eye. I'm going to do one eye so that way you can actually see the difference. Right? Okay, so I guess I'll start with this eye. But I do have a little pimple right there, so I don't know if I want to start with that eye. But I'll just go ahead and start with that eye. It doesn't matter. So the first thing I like to do, I already put on, as you can see, I tried to do my little eyebrows and stuff. So my eyebrows is done. And so I already did my hydration, and I just used Nivea, like a cream Nivea for my face. So I wash my face, I spray it down with rose water, I pat it dry, and then I put the Nivea on as my, you know, to hydrate my face. And so I like to use a little extra under my eyes because, you know, I have like weird eyes. They have lines under them and stuff like that. So I like to keep them as hydrated as possible because, you know, you don't want them to start looking like all old and crepey. So that's what I do. And the name of this that I use is called L'Oreal Eye Defense. So I just dab a little bit of this under my eyes before I go in with my next step. So I just take a little. You see how tiny bit that is? Actually, I think that might be a little bit too much, but I'm gonna start with this eye because I'm better with this hand. So, you know, I just kind of pat that on under my eyes to give my eyes a hydrated appearance. So once I do that, I let that dry, right? Concealer under my eyes, only because as you can see, I have dark circles. It's actually hereditary. Like, a lot of people in my family have them, and I think it comes from like a lack of iron, like iron deficiency. But you know, I have been doing better with having a proper intake of iron. But normally I use this first. It's a corrector. It's a pure mineral corrector, and it's by Kiss. Okay, I got it at the beauty supply store, probably for, I don't know, maybe $3. But I'll put a little bit of this just to help me out a little. You know, I hate the dark circles, so I'll try to minimize those as much as possible. As much as possible. So, you know, I'll just dab that in. A little. Right? It's looking a little better already. You see the difference? Okay, so that's part one, right? So now we're going to go in. I'm not going to do the oil today, the primer. I'm not going to do that because I don't want it to look too greasy. And so now I'm going to go in with my IL Makage. Then again, I should have done the whole face. But today I'm just going to do the eyes, guys, because I don't want to make this video too long. I like to dab my, like, because to be honest, I like makeup, but I just started using makeup about 2 years ago. And so I just don't like it to look all caked up, you know? So I try to use as little as possible. I have another makeup bag, but I don't know what I did with it exactly. And I was just trying to come on here real quick and give you guys the up and up about this makeup, just in case you were thinking about ordering it. You can kind of see if it's something that should be interested in. Just a quick, you know. So now that I put that on, right, I have another thing that I like to do, and that is I like to put on a setting powder under my eye, because I don't like when I don't like the cracking, and I had, like I told you before, I have like little fine lines under my eye, so I don't like it to be all in the creases. So I just put this on and let it set a little bit, and then I take it off, and then I will put on my foundation, which is right here. So I'm gonna go in with this powder, just, you know, just want to dab a little bit on here. And can you see the difference? Yeah, I can see the difference. Okay, I can see the difference. But do I see a big enough difference to spend $33 on concealer when I already have like 5 other concealers that's like $10 and under? So I don't know. We'll see, guys. I'll let you help me to be the judge of that. Okay, so after we go on with that, I'm going to go ahead and brush this off. Okay, go ahead and brush that off, because I just wanted to come up here and shoot this video because I was so excited that that package came. So I was like, let me do a quick review, because you know I've been waiting for it. And honestly, the shipping was so fast. It seemed like I just did that like maybe, I don't know, maybe it seemed like 4 days ago, but it might have been longer. I don't know, but it just seemed like it came so fast, you know. So I'm gonna go in with my, this is what I use, and it's by Clinique. I got it at the mall. I had someone test out my color, and to be honest, I have like 3, maybe 4 of these, because my skin color changes with the seasons. So in the summer I get darker, in the winter I get lighter. So this is what I am using now. It is the winter time, February, and the color is 113, if you're wondering, and it's by Clinique. So that's it, guys. Even better refresh. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm going to go in with now. This is a full coverage concealer. Okay. So I don't like to put on a lot, guys, because I don't like to be caked up. I'm not gonna lie, I don't. But normally I just, you know, I just kind of blend it in with the beauty blender. So use brown. Do you see the difference? Bam. Bam. Right? Okay. So with that, after that happens, you just go in with a little bit more powder. Just a little bit more powder, that's all. Just a little bit more powder. And this time I'm just going to use this brush and put the setting powder again to set the foundation. Oh yes, I like it, but is it, you know, any difference than my regular concealer? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little shimmer under my eyes. One day I'll come up here and do like my full face makeup, but today it was just like a tutorial. I mean, not a tutorial. It was I wanted to do a review on this makeup, just in case anybody was looking to buy it and wanted to see what people had to say about it. Okay. So that's the eye, guys. I mean, I need you to tell me what you think. I love this brush. I got like 4 of them, but you know, like I said, I was a little unprepared for this video, but I just wanted to come up here and show you guys this concealer. And don't get me wrong, guys, you can use this concealer for a number of other things. Like you can actually like you know, use it to brighten up like your whole this certain parts of your face. But I just wanted to kind of show you, you know, an eye or something, you know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know what y'all think of the concealer. Okay. And so just let me know. Okay. So one side, the other side. One side, the other side. So let me know what you think, guys. I'm going to end this video right now. The name of the company, IL MAKIAGE. I think the delivery was fast. I think that the packaging is very pretty. And I like the way this makeup is very smooth. I do like that. I don't know if I would say it's my exact color, but I don't know. I might keep it. Maybe I won't. It all depends. I want to get you guys' opinions, so let me know what you think. Comment down in the box below. And oh, please do not forget to subscribe. And y'all know I'll be talking about everything, so y'all don't want to miss out. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.